you are, you lovely lot. I've got some more advanced British English vocabulary to share with you today. It's a good one. It's always a good one. This one has got 4 syllables. It's an adjective and it's flabbergasted. Flabbergasted. Now let me say that slowly so you can pronounce it correctly. Flabbergasted. Flabbergasted. What does it mean? Flabbergasted means you're shocked, surprised, or in wonder about someone or something. Kind of like in wonder, like, oh, that kind of thing. That's flabbergasted. So, example sentence. I was flabbergasted when he showed me his payslip. I was flabbergasted when he showed me his payslip. One more example. Recent research has left the scientists flabbergasted. Recent research has left the scientists flabbergasted. All right, my lovelies, don't get flabbergasted with your vocabulary. See you next time. Bye.